Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolved Realty here today with my old buddy, Stephen Allen, who's very dapper looking today.
Hey, I'm trying to match you.
You know what? We are a little color coordinated. It's a little scary.
We planned it out.
We are two very handsome men. Anyway.
That took a turn.
There's the blooper reel. Hey, welcome back in this series of videos. We were talking about everything to do with home mortgages. And one of the things I wanted to talk about is we had a situation come up recently with one of my clients who was buying a home, and typically in that process there is an appraisal to be done by the lender. Well, in this case, the lender waived the appraisal. And call me naive, it was the first time I had that happen, and I know it doesn't happen very often, but just kind of explain how that sort of thing can happen. How can you get, and I didn't get it waived.
Right.
It just happened that way.
Yeah, when you run it through the different systems, in this case, we ran it through Freddie Mac, which is the loan prospector system. When we ran it through there, we got something that's called the appraisal waiver. And it is not a commonly issued thing, but it's based on really two pieces of data. And it's existing home, what have they sold for, and how much is that area bringing in real estate value. So when you have all of those formulas working together and you have a system in an area as hot as the Huntsville market is, there's enough data that they're able to determine that, yes, that home is priced exactly where it needs to be. And because of that reason, we were able to save the client $450.
Yeah.
Did not have to do an
they're
appraisal.
still doing a happy dance,
Absolutely.
as am I, because we both know how appraisals can go.
Absolutely.
But so this is not something that happens often, but is this something that's going to start occurring more often?
You're probably going to see it begin more. The loans that I do with Freddie Mac, which is a government entity that is buying loans, it's insuring loans. It's a real good way to do a deal, and it's a conventional loan that we're working on. But in that specific situation, yes, I think it's going to become more common because our market is giving off a decent amount of data right now that they can actually use. The things to keep in mind with it is you don't have to waive the appraisal, but it saves you money if you do. You know, you can still opt to have an appraisal done.
But why would you?
If it's waived and you've got your value, you don't have to worry about final inspections popping up for you. It's a great way to get it done.
Okay. Very good. So now on every deal, I'm calling Stephen going, hey, can we waive this appraisal? But it's not up to you. It is reliant on Freddie Mac.
Absolutely.
Darn it.
Fannie Mae's doing it too, but you see them more often with Freddie Mac
All right,
right now.
very good. So there you go. I mean, you never know that God smiles on you and you get a waiver of appraisal. Keep this in mind.
The mortgage firm, we acknowledge that the appraisal waiver exists, and we go by that. There are some lenders out there in our local area that do not honor an appraisal waiver. So if you want that appraisal waiver, you know who to call, of course.
And all the appraisers are like, oh, I hate this video.
They really do.
Click, click, click.
Yes.
Hey, if we can do anything for you when it comes to mortgage, Stephen, we're going to get a hold of you.
You can give me a call at 256-705-3476 or go online to themortgagefirm.com/Huntsville.
All right, and I don't mean any offense to anyone, but I'd love to wave at every appraisal as it goes by. If I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, just give me a call, 679-0704. Find us on the web at revolved.com. Like us on Facebook, and we'll like you back.
That's great.
All right, we'll see you next time.